Hi guys, sport betting and forex trading, they are two different things. As someone who wants to go into the financial world, it's important you understand the risk involved in the both of them. Forex trading involves decentralized trading of currencies to profit from the market fluctuation. That's the reason why I wrote the book, Becoming a Profitable Forex Trader. You can get it on Amazon, on Seller, and online. You should also know it requires technical and fundamental analysis, requiring deep understanding of economic data and political trends. It also emphasizes precise risk management. That's to say, you can control your risk, deciding how much percentage you want to risk compared to betting. While sport betting in financial contests entails gambling on outcome with fixed odds, like your Bet Naija and Sportybet. It is described by fixed outcome and short-term speculation, often relying on chances or luck rather than in-depth market knowledge. It has a simpler approach compared to the complexity of forex trading tactics. That's to say, it's simple. You don't need any extra knowledge or have to analyze the market before you go into it. That is why, in quote, it is gambling. In conclusion, forex trading and sport betting, they are two different things. You need to understand the risk involved. You can manage your risk in forex. In sport betting, it's a one-time and a short-term speculation. But as someone who wants to go into the financial world, you need to understand how they both work. Do you want to elevate your forex trading skill? ProbabaFX and Trade Nation is bringing to you the FX Trading Bootcamp, which is happening in Lekki, Lagos from the 11th to the 15th of December. Where are you going to be? We'll be analyzing the market and we'll be teaching strategies that have worked over time. And we will be trading live. I know you don't want to miss this. Fund your Trade Nation trading account, get registered. This is a wonderful opportunity you don't want to miss. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.